of the OET tips that how you can crack your OET in just one attempt. So very first you have to know that don't fear an exam. Remember that it is only an assessment of your communication skill, not your professional test. Second, you make your plan and execute it for your daily schedule. At least study your 1 to 2 hours for each module. So practice is only a key to success to achieve your OET in very first attempt. So work hard for it. And the last one is you have to have your good motivator as well as your trainer and your guide to support you in each of the practice sessions. So here, as Anna said, we are here to help you out. You can join our new batches. You can also connect us for the recording classes and for our international classes from UK. We are waiting for your DMs, we are waiting for your calls, and you can just connect us in the given number below. Thank you so much.